thank you for this amazing question. Patient centricity revolves around the patient needs, their wants and their expectations to be met around through the healthcare system, but that also needs a focused approach. So I believe within the experience of the healthcare domain, 3 C's are more important: care, which should be effective; communication, which should be transparent; and the connectivity with the patient in terms of the emotional, mental, and physical well-being for which the patient approaches the hospital. And to deliver these aspects of healthcare, the doctor-patient relationship is the most important, wherein the patient centricity revolves. Along with that, the non-medical operations play a huge role in connecting that relationship of a patient and doctor. How come? Providing the right navigation, providing the tools through the digitalization model of patient connectivity with the doctor, with the hospital, navigation perspectives, feedback mechanisms, call center mechanisms. So I think this all makes a human domain more perfect for a healthcare solution. I believe the complexity of a healthcare depends upon why and what is that we have multiple sections and a different economical society strata coming up to the healthcare providers. We being Sarvodaya Healthcare in Delhi NCR as a leading tertiary care hospital do experience the diversification of the patients entering into the healthcare. It could be a very well-educated, AI-dominated, well-appointment taken, reducing times kind of a vigilant patient, or it could be a patient from a rural background who doesn't know how to even operate on a mobile. So that diversification and the huge gap into the expectations of delivery of healthcare can only be met if we can balance our approach towards patient centricity through technology and the human intervention. The technology cannot replace the human interface because the connectivity with the patient and doctor, even with the executive who is handling a simple bill, or a security officer who is guiding the patient with the navigation inside the hospital, that human connect, that empathy, that human touch is really required for all these services which are rendered by the healthcare organization. And being from an perspective of a provider, the accumulation of both technology and the human touch both can together deliver the approach towards the healthcare expectations of any of the patient or its attendants. It was really great. It's a proud moment to be a part of this stage today. Eminent peer speakers all across the different faculties being coming together and having this opportunity. I thanks ILETS for providing me this opportunity.